आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी दी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ जो गेस्ट पेपर की फॉर्म में है और आपको पता चलेगा कि एसटीईओ पीरा का जो जीके का पेपर है उसमें किस टाइप के 100 मार्क्स के एमसीक्यूज़ आएंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के इस लेक्चर को। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ हमारे पास है दी शंदूर पास कनेक्ट्स चित्राल विद गिलगित। कराक्रम हाईवे बिटवीन पाकिस्तान एंड चाइना was completed in 1978. Tomb of Khaja Farid is in Kot Mittan. Nanga Parbat is the highest peak of Himalaya. River Kabul joins Indus River near Attock. The chairman of National Economic Council is Prime Minister. Who was the first Muslim governor of Punjab? Sardar Abdul Rab Nishtar. Objective resolution was presented in the Constituent Assembly on 7th of March 1949. The only Vice President of Pakistan is Nurul Amin. What is the minimum age of senator under 1973 Constitution? 30 years. On advice of Prime Minister and Chief Minister, President and Governor are bound to dissolve assemblies within 48 hours. Term of office of Election Commissioner of Pakistan is 5 years. The only Muslim woman who attended Round Table Conference was Begum Jahan Ara Shahnawaz. The British sold the Kashmir to Gulab Singh Dogra under the Treaty of Amritsar. Dr. Abdul Salam, first Nobel Prize recipient of Pakistan, got his PhD from which university? University of Cambridge. Hiba Khatun is the famous poetess of Kashmiri. Renowned Urdu writer Mushtaq Ahmed Yusufi by profession was banker. Loari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. Dr. Ruth Puff, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan, campaigned against which disease? Leprosy. The United Nations General Assembly has declared the decade 2021 to 30 as the Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Identify the most benefited sector of Pakistan because of GPS Plus to European Union, textile and garments. The title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity was given to Quaid-e-Azam by Sarojini Naldo. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from the membership of Imperial Legislative Council on account of Rowlatt Act. Wealth of Nations was written by Adam Smith. Statue of Liberty was given to USA by France. Watergate scandal is related to spying. The Article 3 of Sustainable Development Goals of UN relates to health. The Treaty of Versailles settled peace in Europe. International Monetary Fund was created after the Bretton Woods Conference. China have claim on part of Indian province of Arunachal Pradesh. The political term shadow cabinet stands for a group of specialized critics in the official opposition party. Deal of century presented by US President Donald Trump related to Palestine issue. The lengthiest written constitution of the world is Indian Constitution and the shortest is US Constitution. The word Rex stands for the king. Ho Chi Minh was leader of Vietnam. Continental shelf limits of Pakistan is 350 nautical miles. Soviet Union was replaced by Russian Federation in December 1991. Settlement of border disputes and signing of boundary agreement with China proved a milestone in history of Sino-Pak relations. Which of the subsequent diplomats rendered his services to finalize the agreement? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Kyoto Protocol came into force in 2005. Pakistan installed her first nuclear power station in Karachi with the cooperation of Canada. The Quran and Sunnah are declared the supreme law of Pakistan under the Amendment 9th. Kapas Ka Phool is written by Ahmed Nadeem Kasmi. Hugo Chavez was leader of Venezuela. The Bolshevik Revolution took place in 1917 in Russia. Jahangir Khan won squash championship for the Times British Open. In 2018, German Chancellor Angela Merkel was sworn in for fourth time. The World Water Day is celebrated every year on 22nd of April. The India's current president is Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu, who was the Pakistan's first ambassador to US, Abdul Hassan Ispani. Jabir bin Hayyan is famous for his work on chemistry. The Pakistani scientist who worked under Albert Einstein was Muhammad Raziuddin Siddiqui. India represents what percent of South Asia's population? 70%. When sui gas was discovered in Pakistan in 1952. Ocean covers how much of Earth's surface? 70%. How many members are there in the Security Council? 15. SEPTA is a trade agreement by SAARC. SAARC stands for South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation. What is the brightest planet in the solar system? Venus. Venus is also known as morning and evening star, and it is also the hottest planet in the solar system and visible from Earth. What is the total length of coastline of Pakistan? 1046 किलोमीटर। अगर पेपर में सिर्फ ये वाला ऑप्शन अवेलेबल हो तो फिर आपने इसको टिक करना है, नहीं तो अब ये इम्प्रूव हो गई। आई थिंक ये 1058 किलोमीटर हो गई है। आप इसको चेक कर लें दोबारा। अगर ये ऑप्शन गिवन हो पेपर में तो आपने इसको करेक्ट करना है, और अगर ये गिवन ना हो तो फिर आपने जो पुराना चल रहा है 1046 किलोमीटर इसी को टिक करना है, क्योंकि कुछ ऑप्शंस में जब नन ऑफ दिस का ऑप्शन भी अवेलेबल नहीं होता तो फिर आपको जो उसके करीब का ऑप्शन ठीक होता है उसको टिक करना पड़ता है। डोम ऑफ रॉक इज़ लोकेटेड इन यरूशलेम। हाउ मेनी कंट्रीज आर मेंबर ऑफ सार्क? 8. How many official working languages are recognized by UNO? 6. The second largest desert of the world is Arabian. Sindh was separated in 1935. Vasco da Gama was the native of Portugal. The largest earth-filled dam of the world is Tarbela Dam. Arab Spring movement in Middle East started from Tunis. Three Gorges Dam is located in China. Approximately what fraction of human genome contains protein? 2%. In the plant cells, which reaction occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast? Calvin cycle. Stimulus intensity in brain is detected by the number of action potentials per second. Cirrhosis is a disease that affects liver. According to science, the earth is how many years old? 4.5 billion. Dash makes up 14 to 17% of the skeleton. Phosphorus. The vitamins that control the browning in fruits with the help of enzymes is vitamin C. The energy value of fats and oils is 2.25 times more than carbohydrates and proteins. The milk needs to be heated for complete pasteurization at 161 Fahrenheit for dash seconds, 15 seconds. Vitamins that is produced by body and is not found in fruits and vegetables is B12. Coniferous forests have low biodiversity than tropical rainforests. Rocks that contain fossils are sedimentary rocks. Depletion of ozone layer is caused due to freon. Deforestation at large scale can be observed at Amazon forest. Which of the following can be recycled many times? Aluminium. Blank DVDs on which data can be erased and rewritten are identified as DVD plus RW. Who gave the idea to combine the internet with hypertext concepts? Tim Berners-Lee. The first mechanical calculating machine was invented by Blaise Pascal. There are two different ways to insert content from one application into another, that is embedding and linking. What is the name of web page address? URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Resource Locator. The function is a dash which can calculate the values given in a specific order. The function is a predefined formula. Average age of A and B is 30 years. That of B and C is 32 years. And the average age of C and A is 34 years. The age of C is 36 years. Complete the sequence. The answer is 18. In an examination, 1100 boys and 900 girls appeared. 50% of the boys and 40% of the girls passed. The fail percentage is 54.50%. Segregation. Antonym. Integration. The square of standard deviation is called variance. After US, the largest number of Nobel laureates are from UK. Operation Zarb-e-Azb underwent in the former Fatah. Azb means sword of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Study of life in outer space is called exobiology. Study of interaction among organisms and their environment is called ecology. Mahan Corridor is located to the west of Pakistan. इसी तरह का 100 MCQs का पेपर आपको STEO पीरा के GK पेपर में नज़र आएगा। होप्स हो कि ये आपके लिए यूज़फुल रहा हो। जनरल नॉलेज सब्जेक्ट में जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं उनको इंडिविजुअली अगर आप प्रिपेयर करें और 5 पेपर्स को भी साथ में प्रिपेयर कर लें तो आप इस पोजीशन में होंगे कि 70+ मार्क्स गेन कर सकें। इसके लिए कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, हर सब्जेक्ट को आपको इंडिविजुअली प्रिपेयर करना है। दैट्स ऑल अबाउट टुडेज़ वीडियो। अगर आप इसी तरह की और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके साथ में मौजूद बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें ताकि जब न्यू लेक्चर्स अपलोड हों तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।